All right, thank you, Brian. As you said, flooding widespread tonight across much of the Kansas City region.
Something that stands to only get worse with more rain coming. KMBC 9's Martin Augustine is live tonight in Agency, Missouri. Martin.
Well, Len, you're going to find road closed signs such as this one back here in far more places across northwest Missouri than just here in Agency. And it's because those streams and creeks and rivers, such as the Platte River, which is just a short distance to the east and responsible for all this flooding you see here, those waterways have been absolutely overwhelmed by all the rain of the past few days. From Agency, this is the main road to Gower, Missouri, but not right now and not for a while. Until Main Street and a couple of state highways dry up, people such as Krista Smith
tricky. It makes it a little tricky to get to work sometimes.
Have to find another way around the high water.
And it just comes up so quick.
Chris Love says it doesn't even have to rain much here to draw a flood from the nearby Platte River. Tuesday night's weather upstream, an example.
Some of that bad storm that was coming through last night, Agency was really just kind of on the edge of it. But all that water coming down, this thing will blow up like that.
And not just an Agency. Here in Platte County on Highway E, the Platte River, the culprit again, spilling over the pavement between Ridgely and Camden Point. Just one of roughly 24 road closures across 11 counties in northwest Missouri. And the closures here, MoDOT tells us, are changing often. There's no way really to prepare or prevent it, a MoDOT official says. It's just a matter of keeping an eye on it and reacting to the changes.
Happens every year.
Changes, Jake Stanton of Agency says, for which you better be ready.
People up in the north, someone could flush their toilet and it could really flood, so it happens really easily.
And because those road closures and flooding changes are happening so rapidly, both the websites of the Kansas and Missouri Departments of Transportation have information on their websites about those changes. They want you to keep checking in with that so you know how to get around each parts of those two states. We have links to all of that information on our website, KMBC.com. Reporting live in Agency, Martin Augustine, KMBC 9 News.